You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to put two videos side by side in one screen using CapCut. Open CapCut and start a new project. Import both video clips you want to use. Drag the first clip onto the main timeline. Then tap the overlay option at the bottom toolbar, which looks like a square over another square. Tap Add Overlay. And select your second video clip. It will appear layered on top of the first. Tap on this second overlay clip on the timeline to select it. At the bottom, tap the pin icon to enter the keyframe and animation editor, or simply use your finger to pinch and drag the clip to one side of the screen, resizing it as needed to add the first clip to the other side. You need to treat the main timeline clip as the background. Instead, a simpler method is to use a split screen template. Tap Templates on the home screen and search for Split Screen. Choose a two-screen layout. Import your videos into the template slots. You can then adjust each video's position and timing independently. Preview your edit and export. This creates a clean, professional side-by-side or picture-in-picture effect, perfect for comparisons or reactions. For more simple CapCut editing tutorials, subscribe to the channel.